This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your video draft on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Are you looking to share a TikTok draft with somebody but don't want to publish the video on your profile? There are plenty good reasons you may want to share a draft with someone, and thankfully doing is pretty easy. Currently, TikTok does not have a way to directly send draft within the app. However, there is a workaround available that lets you essentially do the same thing. While it does take a few moments to carry out, you can do this send draft wherever you like, such as friend or even another phone. So how to do it? So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to your profile. You can open your draft list. So here's the draft. You can choose the draft that you want to share to your friends. Before you send it to your friend, first you have to post it. You need to post your draft before you send it to your friends. So if you don't want to publish, you can post by change the privacy settings. You can change to only you, so you can post. After that, you can just share the video or photos that you post from draft to your friends. Wait, I will show you. The draft, it won't appear. Let's wait. There's no direct way to send your draft to someone on TikTok. So first you have to share. You post it first, your draft, on your TikTok, but you can change the settings to private. You can tap on the three dots on here. As you can see, you can also share your private post, so you can just tap on save the video or the image. Because it's image, I will save image, and now you can just share it to your friend, maybe on WhatsApp, on Messenger, or another platform on your phone, like this. So now you can share your draft on TikTok to your friends without publish your draft. So simple, right? So that is how to share or send your draft to your friends on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!